folks, my name is Richard. I'm with Richland Appliance Parts, and a lot of people have Whirlpool washers, Kenmore, same thing, Roper Estate, that go out of balance. They'll start boom, 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 and they'll walk across the floor, and a lot of people look it up on YouTube. I don't blame you. YouTube has lots of valuable information on helping you solve an issue like this. Now, a majority of people say change these dampening rods, and they'll show you that this right here should not move easy. Okay, and it shouldn't. They are correct. So you can go ahead and change those. I recommend the OEM set, but it doesn't always solve your problem. This is a Whirlpool washing machine. It's a very large capacity, but there's no agitator. It's got in the bottom a plate called a pulsator, and it's supposed to create enough friction to clean your clothes. But it means that you can add more clothes into the machine and cut down the number of loads. Nay, nay, don't do that. More water, less clothes, you get cleaner clothes. So in this video, I'm going to show you what to check before you purchase your suspension rods and whether or not it is worth repairing. Stay tuned. One of the very first things that I like to do is open up the lid. Of course, the cord's not always in there. And you see the pulsator down here? This will agitate back and forth. Well, I want to show you a trick, and I'm going to try and get a good camera angle. The first thing I like to do is I like to make sure that the inner tub does not rock. In other words, if it rocks just a tiny bit back and forth, the top of the inner basket will, with centrifugal force, lean outward, and it will always be off balance. So, if you look right here, this is your splash guard, this is your inner tub. Grab the inner tub and go up and down. You hear that thud, 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 thud? This is not worth fixing. I'll show you in depth why. Okay, I'm in the workshop now, and this is an identical machine. Now you go on other YouTube videos to show you how to access the tub by basically removing the screws in the back, pulling forward, and then lifting up. There's two little hinge pins right here. You set them in there. Watch your fingers on the lid, because when you lay it back it flies open, but I've not got another machine behind here. Now it's resting. You can go through the process of removing the ring. You can remove the pulsator. I already did this previously. I don't like you to hear four-letter words. And then you end up with the exposed tub. Let me bring you in closer and I'll show you exactly what has happened. Okay, keep your eye between the white plastic and the shaft. See that wiggle? This is a spline part of the transmission shaft. The tub has splines in it as well, and they are smooth, which makes this tub rock. And then it goes out of balance and boom, 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 boom. I'm not going to fix it. This is trash. I'll show you the tub. Right here, it's smooth. The spline has worn them smooth, therefore there's not a whole lot to grab to, and it shimmies. So I hope that helps you out in deciding whether or not this thing is ready to live again or just plain out die. Stop! I made a mistake. After rendering this video, I went home, looked on YouTube just to make sure no one else made one. And not 17 hours prior, Ben's Appliance posted a cure. A cure! And to me, it's, well, cancer is a cure that, but this, to an appliance guy, is like, wow. So, this thing is in the process of testing, and it's working out very, very well. Let me show you what it included. Okay, normally, this repair that I showed you, this hub, will usually be rounded off in here, and you've got this clip. Well, yeah, it used to work, but when the tub is worn, the whole assembly still rocks, as I showed you. But Ben, shout out to Ben! New hub. Basically, we have the old style, we have the new style. It's metal. But wait, there's more! This goes on the hub first. This goes down. Your screws go in there. Includes new screws. Be careful, they're a little bit soft. If you over tighten, they'll break. So don't do that. And then this. All appliance people will recognize a spanner nut that will then thread down and hold it together tighter than the security at Fort Knox. And it works! Let me show you. There we go. Go, baby, go. Go, 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 go! I am so proud! This thing's smooth like brand new. They are repairable. I'm going to leave a link down below to show you the video of Ben doing this repair. And if you like my video, please like and subscribe and even share it. Man, that's awesome. I could go to sleep right now.